Hello dear friends, myself Dr. Sachin Verma. I am roll number 1468, 17th batch Sujanian. I did my MBBS from IGMC Shimla, then I did my MD in internal medicine. I did my few fellowships in infectious diseases, and presently I am working as head of infectious diseases IV Hospital Mohali. I am also having my two clinics by the name of Holy Basil Mediclinic, one in Mohali and one in Kharad. I am also having India's first digital clinic by the name of Holy Basil app, which is providing healthcare on fingertips. That is, we are providing online consultations, online pharmacies, online home delivery for medicines and ambulances. So this was about me, and today I am going to discuss something about opportunities and career in healthcare. Now coming on to opportunities in healthcare, there are plethora of opportunities. You can do MBBS, join a government job and do whatever you want to do. You can do post-graduation like I did, and then you can do further fellowships. You can do super specializations, or you can become a surgeon, you can become an orthopedician, you can become a cardiologist. So there are endless opportunities. One is professionally. Other opportunity which healthcare is offering us that is always relevant to the society. हम अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प कर पाते हैं, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प कर पाते हैं, हम अपने टीचर्स की हेल्प कर पाते हैं, और जब भी वो लोग हेल्प के लिए हमारे पास आते हैं, जिन लोगों ने हमें पढ़ाया है, हमारे करियर को संवारा है, तो सेटिस्फैक्शन वी गेट कांट बी मेजर्ड बाय एनीथिंग एल्स. सो हेल्थ केयर एज अ करियर इज वेरी रिवार्डिंग दैट वे. देयर आर सम कॉन्स टू इट. इट इज अ लेट पीकिंग करियर. My classmates, those who joined NDA, started earning at 20 to 23 years of age. I finished my MBBS at 25 years of age. Then I did my post-graduation. So it is a late peaking career. I started earning 10 years after I started studying. So that way it is a late peaking career. Other wrong side is that you must have seen people getting anti against doctors these days, government policies against doctors. So you have to be bit prepared for that when you venture into healthcare, because now it is becoming a bit of a struggle. But if you compare overall, yes, all of us are very happy and blessed to be doctors and blessed to be in healthcare industry. So as far as income is concerned, you can remain MBBS and can easily earn from 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. You can do your post-graduation, you can become consultant, you can have multiple skills and talent and hard work, and depending upon those skills, talent and hard work, there is no upper cap in healthcare. You can have your own clinics, you can open a hospital. So depending upon the kind of hard work you have put in, you will get the due rewards. One thing I want to say, if you are into a healthcare industry, you will always earn a decent income. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि तुम बोलोगे कि इतने भी पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं कि खाने के लाले पड़ गए हैं. Healthcare is a rewarding field. Only thing is that you need to put in a lot of hard work in healthcare. And once you are working with dedication, working with sincerity, there is no upper limit, and sky is the limit for those who are excelling in this field. So when we are discussing from a Sujanian perspective whether this healthcare career is good for a Sujanian or not, I want to make it very clear at the onset that I am also aware that all of us want to go to armed forces. NDA is a definite chief aim of all the Sujanians. हम लोग भी NDA जाना चाहते थे. I was selected in NDA and I got medically rejected. And the bitter truth is, whatever we do, only 30% of us will be able to make it into defense forces. So for those 70% who was left behind, healthcare is a very good career. There are few things which we learn in Sainik School. One is leadership quality, one is facing challenges, and healthcare provide ample opportunity for both. I am running my own clinics. I am working as a consultant in infectious diseases, and these fields offer a plethora of opportunities to make yourself a leader. And as a Sujanian, we love doing that. हमारे बहुत से Sujanians हैं जो डॉक्टर्स हैं. Some are working in PGI, some are working in India, some are working abroad, And believe me, all of us are doing very, very well. All of us are very happy being a doctor, and being a Sujanian and being a doctor is one thing all of us really love to do. So in the end, the message I want to give is, in whatever field you go, whether you go into healthcare, you want to go into defense forces, you want to go into engineering, you want to go into administration, you should always try to reach to the top. If you are into middle or if you are in a lower bracket, things will be very, very tough for you. But if you are in a top bracket, things becomes very, very easy. Only thing is that you need to put in a lot of hard work and dedication to reach to the top. But once you are there, life will be good. Other thing is, I have heard people saying कि healthcare में पढ़ना बहुत पड़ता है. So this thing I want to clarify. In whatever field you go, even in defense forces, if you want to reach to the top, you need to study. So don't afraid from studies. They will help you in realizing your goals. So dear friends, fasten your seatbelts. Be ready to conquer the world. If you are coming into healthcare, we are there to help you. In case you need any guidance, any help from us, all of us are there to help you. So from my side, best of luck. Go ahead and conquer the world. Jai Hind.